Okay, so now we're going to look at setting up your email fan page. Okay, so I'm going to set up one and show you how it's done step by step, so you should be able to follow it. What you need to do is go to Facebook, which is www.facebook.com. Okay, put it in your browser bar and you will come up with this page. Some people already have a profile page. You may want to set yourself one up, but for this purpose we are literally going to go to create a page straight away, which you can now do. You haven't always been able to do this. This is quite new. So down here it's got create a page. Okay, so we're going there. So let's create a page and we end up here. Okay, make that visible. So then you need to decide what you are, whether it's a product or a brand you're representing, company, business, the rest of it. For this exercise, I'm going to treat it as a local business. If it's a charity, I would again treat it as a local business. If you're a larger organisation, I'd go to company. But you can go into these boxes and see which one fits you best, okay? But however, the sign-up process is pretty much the same. So let's go into local business. Let's go, we're going to be a business service. Now, you may be a church or religious organisation. You see it's got community government, all that sort of thing in there. So pick your category, okay, because that's one that people will search for. We're going to call this, for argument's sake, social networking learning, okay. Again, that'll be whoever you are. You'll need a place, street name and a town. Now that should be where you are because it will show up on Google Maps and such things, so it's important that you have a location there, 7QZ, and of course a phone number. And again, don't take any notice of this because that phone number isn't me, so you can't ring me. Agree to the Facebook page's terms. Good idea to read those terms, have a skim through. I know we sometimes forget that, but do have a look because there are some rules that you have to live by on Facebook, and it is better to live by them than get your account suspended. Now, if you don't have a Facebook account, you'll need to fill these bits in. They need a valid email and a password. This date of birth, make sure it's more than 16 years old because you have to be more than 16 to join. You may want to put in the date that your organisation started or make one up. It's not really that important. It's mostly used for birthdays and things. And your security check, and again, tick your box. What will happen when you do that is you will get an email to verify that you'll need to go to and link back in. Now, I already have a Facebook account, so I'm actually going to log in with my email account because otherwise I confuse the issue. There we go. So I'm going in there that way. Now, whichever way you do it, you will come back to this page when it finally comes up, okay? This is the page you will come to. This is how you start putting your profiles together, getting your fans or your basic information. So whichever way you choose to log in, this is where you'll end up. Now, that is it. In a nutshell, it is that easy to set up a Facebook fan page, and what you can do is actually follow this step by step as you're doing it for yourself. The only thing I would say is think about the name, think about what you're calling it, think about how and who is going to administer it. Make sure you've got a really nice image. If it's a company, you'll want your own logo. You'll want to keep your theme going. If it's a person, if you're a small business and it's only you, then use your face because it's that relationship people are going to make. And the picture, daft as it might sound to you at this moment in time, the picture is quite important when people look at it. That that's the bit they're trusting, either the organisation and its logo they recognise or the person. What I will do in the next video is then start looking at how we set the images up, import the photos, think about content, fans, etc. But for now, that's it. You've got your fan page. Okay, so looking forward to seeing you on the next one. And thank you.